Nissan revealed its two newest models, both assembled in the US. The 2019 Maxima sedan and the 2019 Murano crossover at the 2018 Los Angeles Auto Show. Both models are set to go on sale at Nissan dealers nationwide in December. The new 2019 Maxima features an aggressive, updated exterior appearance with a more voluminous front grille, redesigned rear tail lamp, and a rear fascia with integrated quad-tip exhaust finishers. The precision-crafted interior offers updated trim finishers and materials, along with available leather appointments. Revisions to the popular third-generation Murano crossover exterior adds a more pronounced front V-motion grille, redesigned LED headlights and taillights, new LED fog lights, new 18-inch and 20-inch aluminum alloy wheel designs, and 3 fresh new exterior colors. Both the Maxima and Murano offer the availability of Nissan Safety Shield 360, which include automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, high beam assist, and rear automatic braking. The 2018 Los Angeles Auto Show public days run from Friday, November 30th through Sunday, December 9th.